I know it's been a while, but how do you think your Big Boss journey had been? What did you gain out of Big Boss? Because it's a very big show, and anything that you specifically think that has changed after doing Big Boss? And it's been a while actually, but what do you think has changed since then?
So I think I've done 3 reality shows, and out of all 3 of them, if I have not enjoyed a show, आपका promo मिल गया. Yeah, it'll be Big Boss.
Okay, but I mean,
so when Big Boss was offered to me, I was emotionally in the dumps. Okay, I was getting out of a really long-term relationship, and emotionally I was. So when Big Boss came, it was like, this is God's sign कि अपनी problem से दूर भागो, and then you'll be here, and then you will forget it. But I did not realize that when I'm doing this, I'm also taking a lot of emotional baggage with me into the show.
Sure.
So if you see, even I've performed the worst in Big Boss because I was just not myself. I would just cry all the time because I had so much andhar bhara hua. And Big Boss didn't help it because everyone was so cutthroat. Everyone was very smart. And मैं खुद को बहुत शानी समझती हूँ, but Big Boss changed that. मैं नहीं हूँ इतनी शानी. I realized that.
And too much of negativity around that. That's one of the things. So
Ace of Space, my first show. It was my first show of my life. It's very similar to Big Boss. But I had so much fun. I was myself. And I also, this is a very controversial thing. I don't know how people are going to take it, but I genuinely feel that Big Boss is not very nice to people from MTV. Oh, comparing both of them. No, if you see, there are people like Prince and all of that. Of course, there are some people you cannot ignore. Yes. Okay, so then they can't be bad to Prince. Okay. But then if you see, there has been other seasons where people from MTV have come. And they're not been able to do much well. They're just targeted all the time, and see, now either there can be 2 ways to it. Either people from the MTV circuit are very used to being around young people and that little more open-minded, like how MTV, the audiences that watch MTV are a little more open-minded. They are young, they wear their heart on their sleeve and everything. But when you come to Big Boss, it's more of a family thing, like a GEC show where the whole family age group changes. The age group changes, and also the people interested in such shows, that whole group changes. So अगर आपका MTV वाला vibe इधर MTV में चल रहा है, आपको लगता है Big Boss में ये same vibe चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं हो पाता. And I also very sadly feel that we are still in a place where if you are dressed in a certain way, or if you are, मतलब बेचारी यार भोली है, and the same thing, if अगर आप you're wearing something like short and doing the same thing, पहले से ही पता था कमीनी है, ये ऐसे ही करेगी. That, and I also feel like I am not seeing a lot of I mean, I don't watch Big Boss now. मैंने खुद का भी season नहीं देखा है. But whatever reels that you see, उसमें ही आजकल सब कुछ पता चल जाता है. Exactly. So recently I've been seeing Digvijay. He is. And Kashish. I'm not seen it now. But Digvijay is being targeted. That is what being told. Targeted a lot. Like I see there is this. I forgot her name also. She also keeps making these Big Boss reels and everything. So I see even she keeps talking about how Digvijay is being targeted. Yes. So and even in the past, I think Priyank was also targeted a lot. Yes. So that's what I feel. I feel. But why is that so? Because they also take a lot of MTV wale people in Big Boss, because obviously these people have already kind of audience and all that. But why do you think that Big Boss has a specific? I have no idea. I have absolutely no idea. I don't even know whether, and see, a lot of times it's the edit that makes you or breaks you. Okay? Now it's very easy for them to say तुम लोग कर रहे हो इसलिए दिखा रहे हैं, पर उसके पहले आप बहुत काट देते हो, उसके बाद बहुत काट देते हो. ठीक है? You want to portray a person in a certain image, so you're going to show them only that clips of that person. That's a creative team who does it, and then obviously Rajat को ऐसे दिखाते हैं, Digvijay को ऐसे दिखाते हैं, kind of that stuff. So I'm sure in my season also a lot of people who seemed very good did a lot of things that were bad but were cut out. Okay.
But yeah, that has changed a lot. That perception of like, you think like, मैं ही शानी हूँ, but
yeah, that has definitely changed. मैं शानी नहीं हूँ.
And same out of Splitsvilla. What did you like, kind of, what changed after Splitsvilla?
See, when you ask me what changed after Bigg Boss, I will say not much. What changed after Splitsvilla? My life. It changed my life, and I feel the guys now on the more recent seasons have it a little more easier, because now there is more social media and all of that. I genuinely think जो हमारा last season था Bigg Boss Splits का, that was genuinely the last raw season. None of us were PR trained. हमको पता नहीं था, हमको मेकअप तक लगाने नहीं आता था, एक दूसरे का ऐसे ऐसे I know डोम में जाके I have to fight with her, but बेचारी को आई मेकअप करने नहीं आता है, या फिर ये टॉप के साथ ये स्कर्ट, चल मेरा स्कर्ट ले ले, डोम में झगड़ा कर. We were just so raw. We were so raw. Nothing was like अच्छा मैं इधर जाऊंगी तो यही करूंगी. We were just so chill. We were just like a bunch of fucked up kids doing whatever we wanted to do, and it was amazing. And उसके बाद I was hosting Moot के लिए one part of the next season, and that's when I realized that now people know. You get access to good clothes. Designers send you clothes. अच्छा Splitsvilla जा रहे हो, ये लो कपड़े. तभी हमारे इधर तभी I'm talking as if it's 10 years ago. नहीं इतना भी पुराना नहीं.
3 years, no?
Yeah. No, 4 years.
4 years.
Yeah. No, maybe 3. I don't know. You know better. But yeah, so that's what I mean. The kids now are very like prim and proper. हमारा time तो very like raw था वो.
Exactly. And I guess उस time पे मतलब I don't know. This is my perception probably कि उस time पे थोड़े mature kind of contestants. I don't know मतलब but
I think it was a mixed bag. We had all different types of people and stuff. And तभी we used to not get scared to say things. Now we have to be everyone's so careful कि इसमें ऐसे बोल दिया तो ये हो जाएगा, वैसे बोल दिया तो वो हो जाएगा. But तभी ऐसा कुछ था नहीं. जो डोम में तो सबकी निकाल दी है एक दूसरे की इज्जत. So तभी वो ऐसे होता था. Now it's more polished, I feel.
Yeah. And also I guess the generation has changed. उस time पे I guess millennials, Gen X और millennials होते थे, अब Gen Z. So they are there.
I don't know all this, but I'm whichever the coolest one is, I'm a part of that.
Even I'm the same part of them. So thank you so much for that, and we really love your journey after Bigg Boss and Splitsvilla. I mean, you have definitely changed a lot of things after that.
Thank you.